Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to buy Renec on Remitano app. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is my Remitano app dashboard. Okay, it's still booting. Okay, so this is my dashboard. First of all, before you can be able to buy Renec on Remitano app, you need to have USDT or BUSD or your Naira. Okay, you need to have it. Then you use it to exchange, use it to buy your Renec. All right, use it to buy your Renec coin. Okay, for those who are new to my channel, Renec is the native token of Remitano exchange wallet. Okay, so before now I have dropped a video on my channel on how to buy Naira. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, then the same way, the same method you can also apply while buying USDT. Okay, the processes are the same. I will drop the link in the description so you watch it. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, you watch it to learn how to buy, how to deposit your Naira. Okay, then you come back to this video to follow the procedures to buy the Renec coin. Okay, so here we are in my dashboard. Here we are. This is my Remitano app. I'll simply click on P2P. Okay, or I can say swap. Okay, yeah, let's go on. Yes, let's go to swap. Okay, I'll click on swap. I'll allow it to load. Okay, now this is it. This is it. I want to buy Renec. Okay, now as you can see here already, I have for Renec. Okay, and this is the value of one Renec. Okay, as of today, the value of one Renec is 909 Naira. All right, so to buy Renec now, I'll use this my Naira. I will exchange my Naira into Renec. So since it's set here already, it's either I click here. Okay, I'll click here, and when I do that, this Renec will come here and this will go up here. Okay, because I am exchanging Naira to Renec, I want to use the Naira that I have to buy Renec. Okay, when you open your app, it may not be the same. It may not be the same. So what you simply need to do is you tap on the Renec icon here. Excuse me. You tap on this Renec, then change it to Naira. Okay, or whichever coin you want to change, you want to exchange to get Renec. All right, then you come to this place, you click on it to change it to Renec. Now let us practically do that so that we have a better understanding. Now let me click on this. Okay, let me show you. Excuse me, let me click on this now. So as you can see, Renec is down here already. Okay, Renec has come down. Okay, and you see Naira has gone up. All right, now I can as well do that by, I can as well change that by clicking on this icon. Okay, when I click on it, I will select any currency, any coin that I have here. Okay, that I want to use to exchange to Renec. Okay, already here we have it's already in Naira, and that is why you have it marked good. So let me go back. Okay, now what I will need to do is I'll click on, I want to exchange all my Naira to Renec. Okay, that is, I want to use all this amount that I have to buy Renec. Okay, having it in mind that one Renec costs 910. Okay, the value has changed, 910. Okay, so what I'll need to do now is I'll click on max. Okay, I'll click on max. I hope you saw that. Let me show you very well. This is where I am. So I'm going to click on max. Okay, now as you can see, this is the total amount I have. All right, and when I exchange it, I am going to get 1.16 Renec. Okay, excuse me. Okay, this is it. I'm going to get 1.65761423 Renec. Sorry, yeah. So that's the value that I'm going to get. Okay, this money, 1,522 naira that I have, I am going to use it to once I click on buy Renec, that is this button down. When I click on buy Renec, I'm going to get a total of 1.5, 1.65 and so on added to the previous quantity that I have. Alright, so now I'll proceed to click on buy Renec. I'll click on it, buy Renec. Then here is a confirmation message. So I will now click on confirm. I'll click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, the values in this box is no more. They are no more. Okay, so I'll hold on. Let's wait a bit. Okay, sorry. So this is my orders. This is my order right now. It's lined up here. As you can see, this is my order. It's lined up here. Okay, and the status is filled. Okay, I think they're still processing it. So once the processing is done, when I click on my wallet here down, let me show you. Excuse me. It's down here. Sorry, this icon, it covered it. Let me take it out. Yeah, when I click here, excuse me, pardon. So let me click on it now. I'll click on it. Let me see if they have processed it. Then I'll go to my Renec. Very good. Now it has been processed. It has been processed. So before I used to have 4 Renec. Okay, 4 point something Renec. But now, as you can see, I have more. Right? I have more. Okay, so it has been the order has been completed. Right, the order has been completed. So now I have a total of 6 Renec. So that is how to buy Renec on this Remitano app. That is how to buy Renec. So each time you want to buy, all right, like I said, you quickly click on your swap. That is after you must have gotten either your USDT or your Naira or whichever local currency supported by this exchange wallet, which you want to use to exchange to Renec. Okay, after that you click on confirm. It will confirm your order, and it will show up in your total Renec balance. Okay, so if you find this video interesting, if you find it useful, if it adds to your knowledge, do me a favor by clicking on my subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the notification bell so that each time I drop useful content, you get notified. Okay, thank you. Hope to see you in my next video. I'll also drop the link in the description, the link to register on Remitano. If you have not registered, you quickly use the link in the description to sign up. Okay, set up your account. All right, thank you.